Slight delay at the start of the final of the lightweight men's pair with alignment problems up at the start. But just to recap, it's the Netherlands in lane 1, Turkey in lane 2, Italy lane 3, Greece lane 4, Great Britain lane 5, United States of America lane 6.
Italy, Greece, Great Britain, USA, attention.
So they're underway, and you would have just heard the starters hooter going off to get them heading down the lake here, 2,000 meters. Who is going to get gold, silver and bronze? Sam, fascinating looking back at the results from the heats here, because Italy, Turkey and the USA, who are spread across this field here, were all quicker from heat 1 than Great Britain, Greece and the Netherlands from heat 2.
Oh, Rob, and I won't say you've stolen my fact, but I was going to lead with that. I shall have to think of something else. No, conditions great here at the start, but it is Italy that make the break. As you say rightly, they were the fastest of all 6 crews here on the water, and they show that performance immediately. They have half a length inside the first 250 meters. Second, almost impossible. Netherlands, Turkey, Greece and Great Britain all run dead level as they make the first striking out towards 500 meters. USA just a little bit sluggish off the start. They sit 3/4 of a length down on 5th at this point, so they've got work to do, but they've got plenty of room to make a move, as nearly a mile of this course remains to use the Imperial system. Back with metric, we're nearly at 500 meters. Italy lead, now starting to show at the front of the field. Greece run in 2nd place. Third, more difficult. I would choose Turkey probably ahead of the Netherlands, then Great Britain. All 5 of those crews still sit just under a length now. That leaves the USA. They still have contact on the back of the pack. No clear water showing. Full overlap 1st to 6th.
Стартира и финал А в дисциплината младежи двойка без лека категория. 14 лодки стартираха за борба за медалите в тази дисциплина. 6 най-добри са на този финал. С най-добро време влезаха италианците. След 500 метра не случайно те водят начело в тази гонка. Стартираха чудесно и все още държат преднината. Но в момента забелязваме атака на гръцката лодка, която определено не иска да се задоволи с 2-та позиция. На 3-то място, като че ли е турската лодка, следвана непосредствено и много близо от Холандия и Великобритания. Проблеми имаше лодката на Съединените американски щати с курса, удреха бочки по дистанцията, може би поради тази причина за сега са на 6-та позиция. Невероятна битка на 750 метра за лидерството в тази серия между лодката на Италия и лодката на Гърция. Лодките на Холандия, Турция и Великобритания са на 2-ра позиция, ако мога така да се изразя, защото те вървят, те сменят непрекъснато позициите си по време на дистанцията. Продължава битката за лидерство в серия. На една линия вървят лодките на Италия и Гърция. Много интересен финал се очертава. Ще е трудна битката за медалите при двойките без лека категория.
Just coming up towards 1,000 in youth leads experience as the youngest crew on the water. That's Greece to make the charge towards the line. They're out in front. They've come from quite a way back, but they have managed to beat out Italy through the first 1,000 meters. So Greece lead Italy. Italy in turn have got the advantage ahead of over on the far side. That's Turkey running in currently bronze medal position. 4th is Great Britain ahead of the Netherlands. In 5th, USA in 6th. They're only half a length down on 5th now. Interestingly, we'll certainly have a new champion. The Czech Republic took home the gold medal, not now in this top 6. Very interestingly, Italy, their time in their semi was faster than the title was won last year. So certainly one to watch, and they reclaim their throne at the front of the field, having just got the edge back ahead of the young upstarts, if you like, in the form of Greece running in 2nd place. 3rd, strong performance from Turkey. Kartal and Unsal running in lane 2, just crossing through 1,250 meters. Great Britain are in 4th, ahead of the Netherlands in 5th, USA in 6th. 3 boat lengths, all that separates 1st and a gold medal, and 6th and the back of the pack.
Една до друга са лодките, все още няма отявлен лидер в тази гонка. Италианците се опитаха да върнат първата си позиция и излезаха половин лодка пред гърците. Гърците все още запазват своята втора позиция. Дига темпо, но много добре върви турската лодка, която се мъчи да излезе на второ място. Мисля, че даже на второ място Гърция и Турция сменят класирането си непрекъснато. На трето място към момента е лодката на Великобритания, но не по-назад е и лодката на Холандия. Един нос ги дели. Като че ли се събраха състезателите от Съединените американски щати и също се стремят да се окажат в челната тройка.
Through 1500, Italy at the front of the field. Turkey on the charge though. Perhaps experience is where success lies as they manage to pass the particularly young Greek crew and move into the silver medal position. That relegates Greece to third. Great Britain in hottest pursuit in fourth place. Fifth now, the USA. They've rode through the Netherlands, who are left out in the cold in sixth place on the far side. Italy, though, this race, theirs from the very start. They still have, well, in fact, now they have the only clear water showing in the entire field. That is over Turkey. Kartal and Umstul running in silver medal position. Then Greece running in third. USA on the move, though. They're now challenging Great Britain. It's a very, very small margin between the two. Watch out for USA. They're on the grandstand side.
Герос и Пикар от Италия определено са се зацелили към златния медал и сигурно ще си го спечелят. Невероятен финал за италианската лодка. Не е сигурно още нито второто, нито третото място. Невероятен финал за турците. Гърците дигат. Съединените американски щати като че ли искат да си наваксат изоставането. Свидетели сме на невероятна битка за медалите в последните метри.
Here it comes. Italy have done enough early on. They look home free. But watch out for the USA and a devastating charge towards the line. Still looking strong. It's Turkey in second place. But third, Greece. They best throw everything. Caution to the wall if they're to cling to that bronze medal. It's Italy with 3/4 of a length to the line. They're pursued by Turkey. The bronze medal, though, Greece looked a sure thing. But as they take the line, they look to me almost dead level with the USA. Maybe just Greece ahead of the USA, pursued by Great Britain and the Netherlands.
I had it as Greece as well, but we'll await confirmation, Sam. No doubt about the winners. Yet again, it's Italy, 6:53.14 seconds, their winning time. Silver has gone to Turkey, although that's yet to be confirmed, as is the bronze medal, but I saw it as Greece, but we will await confirmation of a second and third. Okay, confirmation of that result. It just took a little bit of sorting out. It is Italy with the gold, Turkey take silver, Greece take the bronze.
Ето и победителите в този финал. Злато за Италия с време 6:53.14, сребро за Турция и бронз за Гърция. Четвърто място за Съединените американски щати.